Gucci morning. Hi guys, I look disgusting as always. What's new? It is currently 10:20. It's a Friday and I actually don't have class today, and that's pretty normal for NYU students. Oh, forgot to introduce this video. What up, hooligans? It's Jennifer. This is a day in my life. And I actually have some really big news. If you stay till the end of the video, I think you're gonna want to hear it if you're watching this video. Kind of scared, but stay tuned. So right now I'm just getting ready. I actually have to go to my advisor to talk about some classes. I'm in the bathroom right now. I'm gonna brush my teeth, get ready, and then head to campus to go talk to my advisor. I'll see you in a bit. So it is now 11:05. I'm gonna start getting ready to head out. I actually think I'm gonna be too late for my advisor meeting, so I'm actually gonna get lunch first and then go to my advisor meeting. I didn't actually make an appointment, so I can just walk in at any time. I actually don't know who my advisor is right now because she left last year, so I'm just gonna walk in and talk to some random person and hope that it's okay. Today I'm meeting up with my old roommates for lunch. I haven't seen them since last semester. That's crazy. So I'm gonna meet up with them and we're gonna have a good time. I'm currently putting on my makeup and my skin is disgusting. I'm also so tired, but what can you do? It's school. It's a hard knock life. Okay, I'm gonna put on my makeup and then I will see you in a bit. Hello guys! I'm reunited with my old sweet mate. She went abroad last semester, so oh wait, you were in my winter whatever yeah, that day. Oh yeah. So hello! Reunited with my roommate Maddie. Yeah! Good to be back, Jennifer DIY. It's Generation. You're such a big fan.
We really are. We apologize.
Dude, I feel like when we walk past this building,
DIY girls.
That's such a false statement. When we walk past this, I feel like we're at a real college because it's like brick.
Maybe because we are at a real college.
No, but like a
southern college.
Like a not
like a campus.
Yeah,
college?
with a campus. Like
I get that.
You know.
Yeah, bricks give me that vibe.
Yeah, true. Yeah. I like it. I like that vibe. We are at Artichoke. Oh my god! I thought the no. Hello, boys and girls. We just had a technical difficulty with some pizza, but it's so windy. That's actually nice though.
It is nice, but I don't know how I'm gonna eat this pizza.
I got artichoke pizza, pepperoni, and what did you get? Crab. This was like $6, but it's actually so big. Like, look at my hand. But I also just have a small hand.
A pound.
Oh yeah.
It's definitely heavy.
It's like a hefty thing. Okay, I'm gonna eat. Wait, I want to show the little pools of oil. Actually, you guys probably don't care. Bye. Hello guys. We just finished lunch in the park. Had some really good catch-up time. Now I'm going to my advisor.
Fun stuff.
I'm actually going to talk about don't leave me. So I'm really nervous. Hello everybody, I am back home. So I finished at my advisor meeting. It was really scary, but it's over. We are going to go
celebratory shopping.
Yeah, we're going to go celebrate the end of the week, and I have nothing else to do today, so we're gonna go to Soho, which is, if you don't know what New York is, I need to start that sentence again. If you are not familiar with New York, Soho is like the shopping district. So we're just gonna go there. Yeah, because New York doesn't like have malls, right?
It's not by school.
Yeah, so it's a bunch of like streets and stuff with a bunch of stores. So we're gonna do that. I'm excited. Oh, but right now it's like New York Fashion Week, so it might be really busy down there, right?
We'll see.
Okay. We'll see. We'll get some fashion inspo from the model. Hope we see Gigi Hadid. Just at like Brand New Melville. Hey guys, so currently in Brand New Melville, trying on some clothes. It's like kind of almost fall season, but I still like this shirt. I don't have anything that's like this. Super basic, but like low-key cute though. Oh, I also like this, but it kind of looks like something I could totally thrift flip, so we'll see. Okay, so I've been here for like 10 minutes trying to decide if I like the green puffy jacket more or like the poopy color. I feel like the poopy color is more like basic and it matches my Instagram theme, but like this one looks better on me, so I don't know. It's a vibe. We love some pink tarp and some camo. Wait, where are the pants? Wait, where are the pants? I can't see them.
Where'd they go?
Wait, where are they? Wait, this kind of looks like a Barbie raincoat.
Yeah.
But it's like actually just rubber. We are in Topshop and just realizing that everything in Topshop is like kind of weird. But like, it's kind of a vibe, you know? Like, look at this. That's a little bit like frog vibes.
Princess and the Frog.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah.
Frog Princess.
No, Princess and the Frog. Wait. Wait. Yeah, because the frog is the prince. I'm pretty sure it's Princess and the Frog. Hi guys, I'm in an Uber. JK though. I've been a really bad YouTuber and I haven't vlogged in like 3 hours, but basically I had dinner. Wait, what time is it?
8:02.
It's 8:02. And right now we're going to my friend's apartment. Oh, I'm going to an apartment.
Nobody's gonna get that.
Just a random one. I'm just kidding, guys. Don't do illegal things. Hello. Okay, so I am in good lighting now. Basically, we have a roommate reunion. This is Amy, my 2 semesters ago.
Yeah.
You guys probably don't care when it was, but she used to be my roommate. And then Liz is my first roommate ever. And if you guys watched my like like my dorm move-in from like my first year, she was in that video. So yeah. Oh, we're playing Fortnite right now. And I'm so bad at Fortnite, but it's fun. It's a good time. I've actually never killed a single person, so I take pride in that. What time is it? Summertime.
8:31.
It's 8:31, past my bedtime, but we're rebels. Also, there's a dog here. The name is Coco.
Short for coconut.
Let's get some good lighting. Right there is good. Ooh. Oh my gosh, so ugly. You guys say stuff. I don't know what to say. So ugly.
So annoying. She poops everywhere.
She's a tiny corgi.
How many months old? I think 3.5.
Hello. Hello. It's been a couple hours.
Why am I always?
Oh well, you just happen to be there. They are playing Fortnite. I suck, so I am not even gonna play because people are just gonna laugh at me.
Okay, we won't suck.
We would laugh at you. No, you guys don't suck though. I legitimately, like, I don't know how to shoot someone.
Tell them about when you first saw Fortnite.
Oh my god. If you guys play Fortnite, you're probably gonna think I'm really dumb. At first I thought Fortnite, the point of the game was to like collect as much wood and like brick and metal as possible, so I just kept like knocking down houses. Yeah, like build new houses. It's like a real estate game. That's the thesis.
It's like land developer game.
Yeah!
I don't know why they gave me guns, but I just want to.
Yeah, why do you need guns? Like, to like shoot down the houses like even quicker.
Shoot down houses. I think the other people were doing like not.
Well, I just didn't run into other people. Or like when someone came to me, they would just like kill me and then I'd be like, oh, they just want to collect my wood.
They want to collect.
I got a burp.
She's dating Parker now. Yeah.
I just went back down. Anyway, it is currently 12:07 and I am gonna head back. So I told you at the beginning that I had a big announcement slash like big news. So I'm gonna tell everyone. Okay. So I have a big announcement. I dropped out of school.
What?